Okay, here we go. Whoa, my. Testing. Okay. All right. Now we're too loud. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Hello. 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 Not so loud. Not so loud. Not so loud. Not so. Okay. Thank you. Sorry about that. I don't know what happened. I don't know why it happened. And I'm still redlining. All right. Thank you. Sorry about that. Testing again. Still testing. That's better. That's better. It's better. 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 All right. Pleased to meet you. Caitlin loves music. Are you a streamer? Let's see if you're a streamer. You've got 200 followers. I'm sure you are all about sound. Oh, you have 200 followers, but you have not been streaming very recently. But that's okay. I'll follow you anyway. Because I like music too. Oh, I am following you. All right. Thank you so much for helping me with the sound. Everything was plugged in. Everything was turned on. It was just OBS wanted me to click on it. OBS wanted some attention from me. So, anyway, thank you for following. I'm working on page number 24. This is the last page of this chapter. And now I'm going to start working on, let's work on the shadow before anything else, before I forget. So, what kind of music do you play? Are you a musician? What instruments do you play? Or maybe you just love music. Maybe you're just a music enthusiast. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to scribble this, artistically scribble, that is. I'm not just willy-nilly scribbling. I'm not just scribbling in any old way. I'm a professional. I'm a trained artist. I've been trained how to scribble by the best. Maybe not the best. Maybe the state school system and YouTube. Oh, you do art and karaoke. Awesome. What kind of art do you do? Art and karaoke. Alright, should I start with the head or should I start with the hand? Let's start with the head, because that's what I'm looking at right now. Just follow the lines. Mostly just print stuff out and color. Okay. So how did you find me? If you don't mind me asking. Because whatever it took, that's what I'm going to do again. So I'm going to keep on doing. More scribbling, more artistic scribbling. Alright, so this side is the light side. We're going to make squiggles. And then more scribbling over here.